Had a mixery zebra, 9.5 John, AXZ, 9.5J. It's going to be on a black Chevy Impala.
Yep.
1037, we're back northbound towards Dumas.
Yeah, 1063 for you, 27.
Speeds are 65, light traffic.
Or 55 light traffic. Direct.
Turning onto a gravel road. Hands! Pine Bluff will be driving through somebody's field.
Driving through the field.
Thinking about bailing out on foot.
We're going out.
We're eastbound through the field now, going north through another cornfield.
Where you come through the field. Yeah, 10-4, we're still going through a field. He's dumping stuff out the window now. We're still northbound, headed towards 165. 10-4, you should get 10-4. Now we're westbound through people's backyards. Westbound through backyards. Put both hands out the window. Put the car in park. Drop the fucking keys. With your left hand, open the door. Now get out the fucking car. Face that way. Raise the back of your shirt with both your hands, grabbing the top of it. Turn around. Turn, turn, turn all the way around. Go to your fucking stomach. Look away from me. Look away from me. Take your left hand, put it in the small of your back. Take your right hand, put it in the small of your back. Put your fucking face on the ground. All the way. Put your face on the ground. 1050, stand by.
I got it. Ah, my shoulder, it's torn. Don't do that, it's torn.
Well, congratulations, you're going to fucking jail. Roll over. Sit up. Stay. 26 Palm Bluff, you can sit in 64 the net. I'm 1015. Stay on the ground.
1064 and 451. You're being at 1064 and 451.
But right now you're being charged with fleeing. Okay? Driving on suspended. Cracked windshield. No seatbelt.
I did have my seatbelt on.
Oh, well you weren't wearing it properly. So I'm still charging you with it.
How can I have my seatbelt on properly when you roll past me and you see me wearing it?
Actually, I saw you with you like this, and the seatbelt was under your arm. That's wearing it improperly.
Okay.
Also, you're being charged with destruction of evidence as you're throwing shit out the window driving through the cornfield.
No, I did.
I got you on camera doing it.
Okay. I did.
All right. Where's your ID at?
My name is Nickolas Rubin. 12/10/1996. I don't got it with me.
All right. 26 Pine Bluff, stand by until the Shea County gets here, and I'll get you an address. So what's your name?
Nickolas Rubin.
Nickolas what?
Rubin.
Rubin?
Yeah.
All right. All right, Nickolas, what's your date of birth?
12/10/1996. Only one person fled?
Yeah.
Only one?
Yeah, he was the only one in the car. All right. So you don't have a physical ID on you?
No, sir.
Come look at this. Tell me what you think.
26.
Go ahead, sir.
When you got that suspect secure, you're not 10-6. Can you give me a 21?
Yeah, 10-4. Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, it kind of does.
All right.
You need me to transport him somewhere?
I'll take his butt to jail.
Huh?
I'll take his butt to jail.